before. I was literally just a stay-at-home mom and taking care of my kids and wanted to know what was going on in my school district.
So you realize that was the first act of domestic terrorism that you were committing, was being a stay-at-home mom and admitting it, as opposed to just merely being a stay-at-home mom because you're being paid to stay home like everybody else was last year. So what ended up happening? You had the meeting, the famous meeting.
Had the famous meeting. It was like a show trial. I invited media to record it because I sensed that it was going to be extraordinary, which it was. They had posted all of my public records requests onto a big screen. They organized them in various categories to make it seem like I was really a bad person. They had people speak against me in public comment as if they were witnesses at my trial, either saying that I was a good person or a racist person. They singled out a national organization, said that I was working with them as like some political operative, said that they were racist.
From your August 7th post, the public meeting taken on June 2nd. Yes, this is the view that I remember.
Yep.
And when we saw this, Nicole, it just, everyone's jaw, I mean, it was really happening conspicuously and openly and notoriously. And of course, my wife turned to me, as you know, and said, "That's my school district. That's where I grew up." Amazing.
And a lot of people have told me that, oh my God, I went to that school district. I just can't believe how they have descended into this abyss of insanity. When I spoke in public comment, I said this meeting was meant to publicly humiliate me, and it didn't work. And everyone didn't work. Everyone cheered. I had a lot of support. Admittedly, the public comment was kind of split 50-50. There were a lot of true believers in critical race theory that spoke against these. And at the end of it, they decided not to sue me. But then I thought it would be over after that meeting. But then 2 months later, a constable comes to my door with a lawsuit from the National Education Association. This meeting was meant to publicly humiliate me, and it didn't work. And everyone
didn't
work.